What does it take to build a company trusted by businesses around the world?
Passion, innovation, expertise, and a vision that never stops growing.
Welcome to Cybrosys.
Founded with a mission to empower business through technology, Cybrosys has become one of the leading Odoo partners serving clients across the globe.
We have done services for both enterprise and community edition of Odoo, which has helped a lot of organizations to accelerate their growth. When it comes to Odoo, expertise matters.
And Cybrosys is powered by a team of certified experts, consultants, developers, trainers, innovators dedicated to delivering excellence.
And our commitment to quality follows international coding standards, along with that best development practices, which results in a reliable and scalable solution.
We are the biggest contributor of Odoo App Store.
Our apps and themes are consistently ranked as the most downloaded ones in the Odoo ecosystem. Along with that, on an average, in every 2 minutes, 2 apps are downloaded, like 2 Cybrosys apps are downloaded somewhere in the world.
We are the author of Open HRMs.
That doesn't stop there. We also own Horilla, which is an open source HR platform, along with which we have another product called Mobo, which is mobile suite for Odoo. There doesn't stop our product. We also are the biggest publishers of Odoo books globally along with Amazon. Performance matters, and that's the reason why we have a very specialized PostgreSQL team who continuously work on database optimization, scalability, security, and data reliability.
Knowledge grows when it's shared.
You know what? Cybrosys is very much active in social medias, including Instagram, YouTube, blogs, LinkedIn, and all other, social media platforms. And one more interesting thing is that inside our YouTube channel, we have more than 4K videos, which are all educational tutorials, which you can refer to if you are someone who is learning Odoo.
From startups to enterprises,
from local business to global organizations,
we help businesses to transform challenges into opportunities,
to innovate, expertise, and commitment to excellence. We just don't build softwares.
We build solutions.
We just don't serve customers.
We build partnerships.
Both together, we are Cybrosys.
Innovating, transforming, both together, leading the future of business solution.
Cybrosys, your trusted Odoo partner.